The Cryptohopper loyalty program comes with a lot of premium perks and goodies as a thank you to our awesome users. So let's talk about what the Cryptohopper Plus program is and how to earn points. Cryptohopper Plus is our free loyalty program, which you automatically join when you sign up. The more experience points, XP, that you gain, the more opportunities that you have to change your status and access even more benefits. Everyone enrolls in the program and starts as a Plus member. From Plus, you can move up to Pro, Expert, and Master, depending on how many experience points that you gain. Each status has its own distinct privileges and benefits. XP determines your status. You gain a certain number of XP on every subscription. The higher your subscription, the more XP you receive per dollar spent. Depending on the total number of XP gained, you will either keep or change your current status. The key thing to keep in mind is that the more XP you accumulate, the more the privileges and advantages you can access. Some of the benefits you can get as a master member include access to the Platinum service line, a 15% discount paid out as rebates to be used on your next subscription or the marketplace, the ability to create chat channels, access to our premium newsletter with exclusive trading tips and news, the ability to become a seller on our marketplace. Head over to cryptohopper.com/plus for a more in-depth explanation on how Cryptohopper Plus works. Now you know what the loyalty or Cryptohopper Plus program is, which Cryptohopper Plus tiers there are, how to earn XP, and what you can receive as a master member.